disadvantages or drawbacks. So is
Till
there
now,
any?
till now, I'm not having any. It has not been proven. It's being used in America, in Europe, in Japan, India. It has just come. And till now, whoever the researchers are working on it, the disadvantage till now are next to none. Maybe they will come after 3-4 years. Maybe, but right now, no. As I said, the strength is unsurpassable. I have used it in Bruxers.
Yeah.
So till now, I can't cite any. Yeah, if it comes, I'll get back to you.
Okay,
I'll be the first
sure,
one
sure.
to do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. I have a question. We know that regarding class 1 cavity, the C factor is very high. But you used here about 4 millimeter depth. But in case of deep cavity lesion, about 5 millimeter or 6 millimeter lesion, if we use the active A, there's a single layer, then we can use it with the incremental layer. But incremental layer is used not only for the light passing, it is also to minimize the polymerization shrinkage. But there is no composite or active A or new products. Still, there is no zero polymerization shrinkage. Still, it's about 1.7 polymerization shrinkage.
Yes.
So why you not use it in incremental layer?
It is not meant to use it in intimate layer, incremented layer, because it has been designed like that so that you can bulk fill at one go. That's why I said we can do a big posterior cavity in just 5 to 6 minutes. It is meant, it is designed like that. The material has been formulated like that by the head office sitting there who has designed this to bulk fill, and polymerization shrinkage is, as I said, it is less than 1.7%. So.
This is another question. We do not use here the bonding agent.
Yeah.
But in case of deep carriage lesion, we can use the self-etching technique, but self-etching materials, self-etching.
Yeah.
But whatever it's total etched, definitely.
Yeah.
But in case of dentin bonding, the self is better. We think that. But why you prefer this in case of deep carriage lesion?
I prefer, if it's a very deep cavity, of course I would have to use a baseliner, which correctly pointed, but this doesn't need a total etch or self-etch at all. All those steps have been cut off. So if you can do a big cavity, which you can give a very highly integrated seal for years to come without all these complications, why not?
So it's totally different. Another question, there's what type of materials used here to polymerize about 4 millimeters at a time? It's a fiber. What type of fiber of that?
I think I discussed that in my slides. It's ionic resin matrix which is there. 1/3 is GIC and 1/3 is the rubberized urethane based, which gets completely integrated once the light cure, self-cure, and the dual cure reaction starts. So it's three reactions taking place together.
Yeah,
That's
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Rumpavi. Thank you for your nice presentation.
Thank you, sir.